Hi guys, so I just came back, like I'm teaching you the story of stick that grew shorter, like the Jamindars, and I told that he has given one stick, and then Raman is the thief, and he just cut off 1 inch. Then he just asked that you told me that stick will grow 1 inch, then why it not would not grow? Then the Jamindar, can you think that why it not grow? The wood will it not grow? Tell me it's. Then I'm just going to tell you, because the stick is a non-living things. It can't be grow until it can't be grow in a stick, because it's a non-living things, and non-living things will not grow, will not move, will not eat. Then Jamindar has replied that, you foolish man, a stick doesn't grow unless it is on a living plant. Then Jamindar said that a stick does not grow until it will on a living plant. If the living plant is there, then the wood it will grow. But if that wood will cut, from that time it becomes the non-living things, and it will not grow in 1 inch also. Then it was a trick to smoke out the thief. Then he said that it was the trick. It was just a mastermind plan to catch the thief. The Jamindar forgave Ramana, who never stole again, but served the Jamindars faithfully to the end of his days. Then from that time, the Jamindar has forgive the Ramana, which has stolen that necklace, and from next time he has not stolen again anything from the Jamindars, and he just become a faithful servant, and he just give all his time to the Zamindar of the end of his days. Only that much chapter, and I hope you guys have understood the chapter. So let's start to I'm going to tell you the words so that you can find out their meaning. So your first word is swallow. Write down the spelling. S as in sun, H as in horse, A as in apple, L as in lion, again L as in leopard, O as in orange, and W as in white. So your word comes like SHAWLLOW, swallow. The next word is asleep. Write down the spelling, like A as in apple, S as in sun, L as in leopard, E as in ear, again E as in eyes, and P as in potato. So your word comes like ASLEEP, asleep. Next word is flash. Write down the spelling, F as in fan, L as in lion, A as in apple, S as in sun, and H as in horse. So your word comes like FLASH, flash. Next word is rush. Write down the spelling, R as in rose, U as in unicorn, S as in sun, and H as in horse. So your word comes like RUSH, rush. Next word is trop. Write down the spelling, T as in tiger, R as in rose, O as in orange, again O as in ox, and P as in potato. So your word comes like TROOP, trop. Next word is stole. Write down the spelling, S as in sunflower, T as in tomato, O as in orchid, L as in lion, and E as an eraser. So your word comes like STOLE, stole. Next word is guilty. Write down the spelling, G as in girl, U as an umbrella, I as an ice cream, L as in lion, T as in tiger, and Y as in yellow. So your word comes like GUILTY, guilty. Your next word is smoke. Write down the spelling, S as in sun, M as in mango, O as in orange, K as in kite, and E as in ear. So your word comes like SMOKE, smoke. Next word is shop. Write down the spelling. S as in sun, O as in orange, and B as in banana. So your word comes like SOB. And your last word is faith. Write down the spelling. F as in fan, A as in aeroplane, I as in ice cream, T as in tiger, and H as in horse. So your word comes like FAITH, faith. Yeah, only that much word is there, and you have to find out their meaning from the dictionary. And I hope you guys understood the chapter. If you don't understood, please watch this video 2 times 3 times, and after you will understood. And whenever the school will open, I will go through the chapter and will ask all the stories that who is the character in this story, these all. So you have to tell me all the answers. So please, you guys, please listen these online classes carefully. And thank you, and have a nice day. And whatever the question I will give you today, please, that all question answer you should do it in your course copy. Question answer is from the course copy I will give, and this word meaning I have given right now, this you should write down in your literature copy. And please complete your work at a time. It should be legible handwriting and good handwriting. Thank you. Enjoy your day, and you can enjoy your online classes, and you can enjoy with your family member also. Thank you, and have a nice day.